Repair damaged hair. Wow Hair Conditioner uses virgin coconut and avocado oil to rejuvenate weak, thin, and/or severely damaged hair. Replenish lost nutrition that's vital in keeping hair long, strong, and luxurious. Rich in vital essential nutrients. Strong, healthy hair. Enriched with proteins, fatty acids, and vitamins B5E to help strengthen hair and keep it smooth. Rich antioxidant protection supports healthier hair growth. Get the soft, silky hair by using it daily for men and women. Maximize hair strength. Improve your hair cleansing routine with Wow Hair Conditioner to get the best results possible. Enriched with proteins and vitamins B5 and E to help strengthen hair. Ultra-rich nutrients help stimulate and support healthy hair growth. Promote hair growth. Significantly reduce hair fall and shedding to help stimulate hair growth. Feel the difference in the weight of your hair as the coconut-scented conditioner detangles knots to make your straight or curly hair easier to comb. Beneficial ingredients. Our hydrating conditioner is sulfate, silicone, salt, and paraben-free to ensure your hair is moisturized and is less prone to breakage, split ends, and thinning hair. Helps retain moisture and keeps hair hydrated. Cruelty-free product. Castor oil. Helps lubricate the hair shaft, increasing flexibility and decreasing the chance of breakage. Sweet almond oil. Nourishes to promote strength and shine. Argan oil. Adds moisture to your hair and scalp and protects your hair from everyday damage. Top reviews from the United States. Great conditioner. I have curly hair that needs moisture, this works well. The scent is pleasant and not overwhelming. My go-to conditioner.